Two premium robot vacuums walk into a bar: the Ecovacs X9 Pro and the Dreame X50 Ultra. Both cost over $1,000 and promise to clean your house better than you ever could. But which one actually deserves your hard-earned cash? Let me break down this expensive robot battle. One side, we have the Ecovacs X9 Pro with 16,600 Pascal suction, roller mopping, and something called zero tangle technology. It promises to blast dirt away and mop like a professional cleaner. The other side, we have the Dreame X50 Ultra flexes with 20,000 Pascal suction, retractable legs that climb obstacles, and the ability to extend its mop into corners. It's basically the Spider-Man of robot vacuums. Let's talk raw power. The Dreame X50 hits 20,000 Pascal, while the Ecovacs maxes out at 16,600 Pascal. That's a solid win for Dreame, but here's the thing. Both are overkill for most homes. It's like comparing two supercars when you're just driving to the grocery store. In practical terms, both will inhale dirt, pet hair, and those mysterious crumbs that appear under your couch. The extra suction mostly matters if you have deep carpets or live with especially messy pets. Here's where things get interesting. The Dreame X50 can literally climb over obstacles up to 6 centimeters high with its retractable legs. The Ecovacs plays it safe with advanced sensors, but won't attempt any parkour moves. For mopping, both use hot water and self-cleaning systems. The Ecovacs uses roller mopping at 220 RPM, while the Dreame extends its mop pads to reach corners. Both will leave your floors cleaner than most humans would. Both have AI that can identify objects and avoid your pet's accidents. The Dreame recognizes 200 different objects, while the Ecovacs focuses on precision navigation. Either way, they're smarter than most college students. The painful truth? Both cost over $1,000. The Ecovacs X9 Pro runs around $1,200, while the Dreame X50 Ultra sits closer to $1,400. At these prices, they better fold laundry and make coffee too. For that money, you're getting a robot that vacuums, mops, empties itself, and cleans its own mops with hot water. It's like having a tiny cleaning person who never calls in sick or asks for a raise. If you want maximum power and climbing abilities, go with the Dreame X50 Ultra. If you prefer proven reliability and slightly less chaos, the Ecovacs X9 Pro is solid. Both will clean better than you probably do manually, but your wallet will definitely feel the impact. Which robot army would you choose for your floors? Drop your pick in the comments and subscribe for more expensive tech comparisons.